How to get rid of corns on toes. 7 ways to get rid of corns on toes. 1. Lemon. The citric acid in lemon works to soften the hardened skin that makes up the corn, so it eventually falls out. Because lemons have high acidity levels, they are nature's best acid providers for the use of health. The acid in the lemon is a softening agent that penetrates dead skin and softens it. With consistent use, it will eventually penetrate the skin layer by layer, softening it, then allowing it to fall away. To use this remedy, rub fresh lemon juice with a cotton or fabric in circular motions for a few minutes, then allow it to air dry. Repeat this about 3 times daily. 2. Pineapple. Apart from being a delicious and healthy fruit, pineapple it has one more thing in common. They all can treat corns on feet naturally. This is perhaps due to their enzymes that dissolve protein. This quality greatly helps in softening the corn and removing it from your feet. Attach a square of pineapple rind to the area and leave overnight. Repeat for 3 to 4 nights, and the corn should fall off on its own. You would need to exfoliate the corns every morning. This would have to be done every day until obvious results become apparent. 3. Onion. Onions have powerful antibacterial properties that makes it one of the best home remedies for foot corns because it not only breaks down the dry and hard skin but also eliminates the risk of infections. Place a slice of onion on the corn and secure it with the assistance of a bandage. Leave the onion overnight and the following morning disposes of it. Do this consistently and you will notice results in a week's time. 4. Turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is used to cooking ingredient in India, and they also apply on the finger cut wounds to ease the pain and speeding up healing in the process of getting rid of corns on your feet. Ayurveda uses turmeric for various medical conditions. There is an Ayurvedic remedy for corns in form of turmeric and mustard oil paste. Make a thick paste of turmeric powder and nectar. Apply it on the corn and let the paste air dry. You will notice the corn diminishing in size in around 2 to 3 days. 5. Baking soda. Baking soda is known for numerous household and cooking benefits. The key to its treatment for acid reflux lies in the ingredient sodium bicarbonate. First, fill the basin with warm water and add 2 or 3 tablespoons of baking soda to the warm water and soak feet in the water for about 20 to 30 minutes. Take out your feet and rub gently with Puma Stoned, focusing more on the corn. Rinse again, dry your feet, and moisturize your feet with castor oil or moisturizer. Repeat this daily to get rid of corns on toe. 6. Puma Stoned. What is a Puma Stoned? It is a lightweight, gray-colored stone that is very coarse and porous. It is effective at removing dead skin. You can find it at most supermarkets and beauty supply shops. First, soak the foot to soften the tough skin. Then, using light pressure, rub a wet Puma Stone back and forth across the corn. Pause it every couple of minutes to wash away the dead skin and repeat until it is smooth. 7. Turpentine Oil. Turpentine oil is a strong antiseptic that can help treat corns. The oil penetrates into the skin quickly, so the healing time may be faster. To use this remedy, develop a nightly routine of massaging the corns with ice wrapped in thin cloth for 1 or 2 minutes. After the ice rub, apply some turpentine oil, massaging it into and around the corns. Wrap the area with a bandage and leave it overnight.